mainly a small category of filling machines. In terms of the degree of automation of production, they are divided into semi-automatic filling machines and fully automatic filling production lines. In terms of the nature of the filling materials, they are divided into explosion-proof filling machines and ordinary filling machines. Filling method: ordinary submersible filling and lifting submersible filling. Application industry: paint, ink, paint, asphalt, glue, lubricating oil, petrochemical, fine chemical, and other liquid, fluid, paste products. Main features: 1. The system filling machine adopts weighing filling with high metering accuracy and is not affected by the material. 2. The feeding valve composed of fast addition and slow addition can not only increase the filling speed but also improve the filling accuracy. 3. The metering range is large and the metering error is small. 4. The filling head adopts an anti-drip device, and the material poured out does not produce bubbles, and the effect is good. 5. Automatically control the material feeding, equipped with pneumatic clamping cover and pneumatic pressure plate device. Standard configuration: instrument, GMA, sensor, Mettler Toledo, pneumatic components, air-tack, explosion-proof, FEAS. Self-matched, feed pump, outlet pressure at 3-5 kg, flow rate greater than or equal to 16 cubic meters per hour. Operation method: manually move the barrel, manually start, automatically open the feed pump and large and small feed valves, close the fast feed valve at the set working point 1, stop the feed pump and close the slow feed valve at the set working point 2, manually cover and move the barrel to the capping position, with auxiliary positioning device, manually cap, manually move the barrel after capping, put into storage. Upper and lower barrels are equipped with stainless steel rollers.